Masuri Pigim Lopte Circuit Sensi Nanke Yongla, Samdi Shiwatanja, Kimo Masuri Pigim Lopte Circuit Zugongwa, Tinsinoriangi. Tiring Pendagua, Yugdawe, Tse Jukji, Chindajukji, Tse Gate, Resapasangin, Masuri Pigim Lopte, Davachibe Kilji Limka, Unzushubini. Chindajube Tse Jingin, Lopte Kongstock Be Gensokhanla, Mirab Gambe Nimu Sungzi Shuba. Chindajube Tse Ngingin, Mebu Tamba, Gandhi Tungar Sungzi Shuba. Chindajube Tse Gungin, Lopte Kangze Nankyuar, Puge Tok Tize Dindur Nangwa. Lopte Gyugzhom Hensum Ke Logor Zitin Shemo, Teng Nirgubate, Jube Tse Jibking in Sonangweko. Lopte Matsab Namla Ninjang Sungiring La, Serjom Dakyong, Palliative Care Kola, Members Neha Choge, Sabjong Nangwe Kortang, Daki Members Neha Chola Chintishibe Lirim Hanche, Dawajube Keje Lirim Ka Chudishube, Nitsuge Basham Lirim Sensige Mushu. Chidajube Tse Jingin, Lopte Kongstokbe, Gensokang La, Mirab Gaming Yemo Sungzi Shibe Kola, Loma, Tinzi Yulu Lagi Sungba, Sensige Mushu.
Kamsang. Chilang idong chugu dawa chube se chingin gelchi na mirap kembe nimo International Elderly Day she sungzu shugye bashin diga master pegim lapche ngene lapche kongso tokbe gesukhan dirye be mirap kemba namla khushap da thongje zijo nawe tho konam chobu yongche tu ninter kungwe thongje tang thongshwe nabani ushuk tu lapche gendan namge shinarap ne sugbu shuwa dang theshin sulzik sok tekbu sabge shuye tu thujina
Chindajube Tse Ngingin, Mebu Tamba, Gandhi Tungar Sungzi Shibe Kola, Loma, Nimadramalagi Sungba, Sensige Mushu.
Nambalengela Kwamsa, Chilo Nidong Chugu, Dawa Chube Tse Nini, Gagarki Yapchen Tamba, Gandhi Tungni Longo, Gadangap Tamba Kowe, Tudin, Sungti Shubada, Taptunde, Gagarki Zangse Nimo, Swatch Bharat Abhiyan She, Lobde Koyo to Zangse Lugu Sungti Shubab. Lobde Sibe Tangjindu, Gelita, Loma, Zangzomto, Gabuni Lutangje. Legume su go zamsong, tian gile namgi, niti woda, loma ngantsui ki semba namtangani, lobde koyu zangso chebada, tar peme gi kini nam, chongde kini ukse na yune, lega kanle ngan judil tuba chongsong, tujiche.
Chindajube Tse Gengin, Lopte Kangze Nankyuar, Puge Dong, Tize Dindur Nangwe Kola, Loma, Tinsi Pamolagi Sungwa, Sensige Mushu.
Kamsa. Chilo Nidong Chugu Dawa Chube Tse Gu Nigi Ningyab, Lopte Tsiring Jume Sogang Chume Nangto, Pyoge Namgi Goti Wok, Lopte Kangse Nangkyu Warla, Lokyu Dang Tajusok, Jushi Damingi Toni Pyu Tizi Dindushin Nangsong. Dindur Dena Kangse Rene Loma Ngare Nyamshu Nangkap, Loma Namgi Tizi Lirim Dena, Rangnu Kangchungi Nyamshu Nangsong. Tar Kyo Yongi Pyu Tizi Dindur Ki Chagate, Tisong Kangse La Top Nangsong, Tujina.
Lopte Gyugzhom Hensum Ki Logo Zitin Shem, Teng Nirgubate, Chindajube Tse Jibking in Sonangwe Kola, Loma Tinzi Zoshilagi Sungba, Sensige Mushu.
Nambalenge namla kungam sang chida chube se jobge nyingi shokpa chakzo gu betok manso lobtaru gyukjong pensum gi logor zedin chemo teng ishu zagu bate nusu uzushu thude kudin zo kushap sanjeev chopra chokphebne gyukjong pensum gi semongo su uzuk mashukong lobte ngali ruga gi ne tibetok lobte khangje nga pelo manam gi jigjingi tu jene rik tana so amase lobte ngali ruga gi yiwang thokbe nga chijung ta lingdong sok bi teje semongo su uzuk shukap Loman Namki Topshor Ginidun La Tesa Minipar, Rangnu Kangjingi, Tenang Song, Dendu Jira Shigiru, Topshor Ginidun Yube, Tamegaka de Tire Kanze La Tobosok, Nimote Tunin de Bachungsun, Chekarinche.
Lopte Matsab Namla Ninjang Sumgiring La Serjum Dagyong Palliative Care Kola, Members Neha Chogi, Sabjo Nangwe Kola, Loma Ugen Diglagi Sumbatang, Tedal Hendo Dagi Members Neha Chola Chintishibe Lirimte, Sensige Mushu.
Anso Jo Mi Kyo Lang Chunche Ne Sung. Milirin chen tingi chusö su ma songwar semgyu chösu chukpa shikö. Gel chewe chongne tang, zetung genki na ze genki, mi mangbo shik chö che minu bar gyurwe gen tuma teki yötap, sakya menkang tu, sejom tagyong tang lang shepshu kangi membas neha choki, ngan tsö loptar tawa thi chise ngishu tsapshi ne tsa chukpar, ninjang sumgi ringla, sejom tagyong kor, ngan tsö lopte matsab namla, sabjong nawa ma se, lopte pumun namla, tasen kor, kodo peso we, Memba chota, pepe chiso che tu ti to kodo pe nangi, kurye pel sagya dwema potanki, tangmo kalden cho, namba ngi la kume petu kimde sokpe, gele loma changme tsab shute, kadin che shuguin, tujinang.
So, first of all, can you please introduce yourself a bit?
My name is Dr. Sneha and I'm a palliative physician. So I take care of people whose diseases can't be cured or who have long-term diseases or who are nearing their death. So, and I also have an organization called Uri Kalankini. We work on menstruation. So, right now I'm coming on behalf of Sakya Hospital. There, Dagmula had contacted me and we got together, and that's how we want. The idea is to start as many palliative care units in the Buddhist monasteries as possible. Yeah. So, I have been working through the organization on menstruation cycle and sexuality since 2013. And it became important for me to do that is because menstrual blood is the only blood which is result of non-violence. Like every other blood is violent blood. Every other blood comes because of disease. And every other blood takes away life. This is the only blood which has a potential to give life. But we still are shameful about that blood. You know, we are afraid to say even menstruation. You know, so that's why I think, and I asked them in many workshops, I asked them period के बारे में बात करना क्यों ज़रूरी है, and all of them said because इससे diseases आती हैं. So the general, whenever we say period, we either think of disease or infection or we think of pain. Yes. So I wanted to expand it more, like, you know, people should think beyond that. That's why.
제 머스리 베김 럽체 다우지베 켈지 리림카 추디시베 나부겐게 이긴간제 서기 리림 신신나와 투치시 슈와 탄자 레 마젤와 구수라 투자당 차발람주 용외 지시민주 슈